Ka Kiang Nangbah Government College Jawai kala Rakhe yaka 58 Foundation Day bat lipat baru yaka Integrated Teacher Education Program ITEP kabala sedang nadu ka Arterik Risau arhajar arpulai. Hakani kasnila don lang Myntri ketenat pule putih ke Sorkar Jela Rakam Sahkynmaw MLA ka amla rembat Chief Advisor ke Sorkar Jela bat Lakmen Rumbui MLA Jawai ba Wailat Miki Syllad bat advisor ketenat pule putih ba HM Syangpliang ha kajingalang kabalalong hapo auditorium ka college ha ka khanyo tarik nailur. Myntri ketenat pule putih Rakam Sahkynmaw ha kajingkran ulaai kajingero ya kani kajaka pule halor kajingno senyang bat kajingshim khia ban kentiu ya ka pule putih sha kani kathan. Halor kajingbun ki khna ki ba pep school ha kajela Myntri ulakhat ya kajingkit khli lang jong kinong hikai ki officer sorkar bat ka imlang salang ha ka ban penslure ki khna school ban lej phai biang sha school. Da ka babanjur baka jing pulie ka day ushabi banweng ya ki babun ki jing ha ka perthai tang ha ka jela ne ha India Henry Kelengkiri jong ka perthai ha ka ne ka sngila pun ku buromru ya ki arngut ki samla ki balayo ya ka kerdan PhD ki bakuntup ka Dr. Sharailin War Solang bat ka Dr. Saralin Kharbhi nalor ketala pun ku buromru ya ki samla ki bawan ha ka kerdan topa ki bakuntup ya ka samla Naina Limbu ha ka botany bat Maisoniti Thau ha ka physics. Kiwede ki bala jingkren ki long ka principal jong ka college ka Dr. E.M. Black, Vice Chancellor Nehu Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, Senior Faculty Integrated Teacher Education Program ba Peter B. Lingdo Mauplang, ba Dr. F. Shulai. Hadien ka jingalang Rakam Sahkynmaw ha ka jingadon lang ki MLA bat kiwe ki riurang ba, ulapli pat ba ya ka Integrated Teacher Education Program ITEP, kabala sedang nadu ka Arterik Risau arhajar arhulai.
I would like to tell you, my dear friends, especially the vacancies, the more than 130 plus vacancies across the state in the higher education. With the government college, with the university, the B.Ed college, and different diet, there are more than about 130 plus vacancies. And the order formality is almost completed, and we are going to issue the advertisement very soon. And we will make sure all the vacancies are filled at the very earliest. And we will also make sure about these auditoriums and our extension building, but we have to give times to process. Education is the only way forward to make ourselves a matured and a dynamics as we move forward. My dear friends, yesterday we were discussing with some of the press people of the state. I have spoken about back to school campaign of the state of the government. In our state, we are the highest dropout rate in the country. It may be for various reasons and various factors. Therefore, government of Meghalaya, with all involvement of the stakeholders, we have initiated back to school campaign program. I was telling to the press people that, look, there are many beautiful boys and girls. If they are not able to write and read, they will feel embarrassment. Therefore, every individual, every citizen, every teacher, every official will take responsibility to encourage, to inspire, to work, to bring all these boys and girls, beautiful boys and girls, bring back to the schools. I was telling, then somebody asked me, sir, what about the ugly people? And he insisted me, so what about ugly people? We don't need to give them education? So I don't have any reply, but I just quoted from the scripture. The scripture says, God created the earth and all creation wonderfully. There is no word ugly in the dictionary of the God creation. Therefore, we are all made beautiful and unique in for every one of us. Therefore, Somebody may talk about you're beautiful and not the beautiful. But the values of life, the quality of our life makes you always a difference. Therefore, the education will really make our society, our people, our individual wonderful and beautiful. Today, as we celebrate 50 years of our Foundation Day, it's time to recall the contribution of our forefathers, the contribution of founders of this college. And many may not be here with us anymore. But the individual, the leaders, the one who has engineered, the architect, the one who has designed this entire setup to have this college, will be the first person to be satisfied today, and he will be filled overjoyed. And to see the fruit of this labor and its contribution today, I am sure this college in last 57 years, in last 58 years, this college has produced a numerous individual who are serving with different position at different level in the various walk of life. They have served the society as a politician. They might have served the society as a teacher. They might have served the society as a pastor, as a father, as a forest priest, as a businessman. But thanks to Almighty that God bless for us the pious leaders of our community, of our state, to have this college. Therefore, would like to thank on behalf of the government, the pious leaders, the past principals, the professors, the lecturers. And also would like to congratulate all the young people, those who have graduated and serving the society. My dear friends, as our Honorable Chief Minister, as all of us desire to take our state forward. In fact, the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister is to make our state is one of the top, best 10 top states in the country. In all respect, be it the economy, be it the law and order, be it the education, be it the finance, in all respect. But many things to be done. But I am sure, under dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and under the able leadership of our Honorable former Education Minister of our state, Balakben Rumbai, today, I am happy to tell you, many milestone decisions has been taken in last 5-6 years during this MDA government. My dear friends, all the government college in the state has received all the new building. All the high secondaries, government high secondary schools, institutions of our state has received already constructed a new buildings. 21 number of people college grant has been sanctioned. More than 300 plus sanctioned posts. Many transformations has been taken place, my dear friends. All this has been done. It is just to support our community better. Teachers, always called as architect of our society. Through the ITEP courses, we aim to train teachers who are not only well versed in the subject but also equipped with pedagogical skills and ethical grounding necessary to inspire and lead the students in the 21st century. The course is a direct response to National Education Policy 2020, which emphasizes holistic and multidisciplinary courses education and the vital role of the teacher in nurturing critical thinking, creativity, and innovative in students. These ITEP programs and many programs to be coming in reply and response, the reaction to the adoption of the NEP 2020. My friends, the NEP 2020 is to make our nation at the global stage. Let this college, the testament of this college, be the model that talks about a binding together, reaching out to the people and sending to the masses. My dear young students, as you graduate from this college, be it students, be it degree students, when you go out of the college, the world, the community, the society is waiting for you. As you go out, let your testimony be the model of your educated individual. Let this college be the testimony and the model in producing the right and very brilliance and that serve the purpose in designing, in creating a better human being. Let this college be known for the testimony, for all this, for all the good things that as an individual have to do.
Open hearts, open doors.